Hello and welcome to this delicious chal kumra bari recipe video. Today we are going to learn how to make masala peta bari with black gram split and ash gourd, the traditional Bengali way. It's a unique combination of sour and flavorful taste that's perfect for veg and fish curries. So let's get started. First, wash and soak black gram split for 6 to 10 hours, then make a thick paste without using much water or use just a splash. Let it ferment overnight in room temperature. Take an ash gourd and cut it in halves. Remove the seeds. It should look like this. Scoop out the pulp. This is how my aunt used to do it. You can grate it as well. Put it in a cotton cloth. Squeeze to remove the water. Then tie the cloth tight and hang it overnight to get rid of the excess water. I like to start early in the morning so that it gets the whole day sun and easily dry up. Just make sure that it's not watery. If the paste is watery, then the dumplings will get cracked. Put it in a vessel and mash it well. Add the lentil paste in it. Add ginger paste. Add panchforan. It's a blend of 5 whole spices. If you want to know how to make it, the link is in the description. Add the masala powder. It's very aromatic. If you want to know the recipe, please check my previous video. Link is in the description. If you never tried dumplings before, well, first saute the dumplings before adding them to your recipe. To maintain freshness for up to a year, store it in an airtight container. Store the dumplings in a container that keeps out moisture and put it in the sun from time to time to stop insects from getting in. The process may be time consuming, but the result is well worth it for those who enjoy eating dried lentil dumplings. You can check out my playlist for recipe ideas and inspiration. Link is in the description. Take a small portion from the mix and whisk it until it feels lighter in your hand. Lay it on a surface where air can pass through easily. It takes 2 to 3 days to dry up. And there you have it, the delicious and flavorful chal kumra bari. Try this recipe and let me know if you enjoyed it. For the detailed process of the recipe, please check my previous video. The link is in the description. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.